Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great time wherever you are. So today I'll be working Skip the Dishes, Uber Eats and DoorDash. I have a shift with Skip the Dishes from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and with DoorDash from 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. So I have a first order with Uber Eats 588, 5 kilometers. I'll accept that. So let's go
Head
get
east on
that
Ridley
food.
Place toward Ridley Street.
Additional 2 minutes for $2.
Make a left turn on Ridley Street.
So the time is 11:10. So I'll say I start my shift at 11:10. I'm on my way to Taco Bell, and this is Uber Eats with 2 orders. Arrive at restaurant 11:12. So let's go get that food. So pick up order from Taco Bell, and the time is 11:16. So I have 2 order for the customer. First customer is 3 minutes away. So let's go get their food. Arrive at customer 11:19. Just gonna go drop off the first customer order. Drop off first customer order 11:22. Second customer is 6 minutes, 4.2 kilometers. So deliver second customer order 11:34. Let's see the payment for both order. Start my DoorDash shift. I have a DoorDash shift start at 11:30. I'm gonna start that. So I have a skip the dishes, $7, 4.4 kilometers. I'm just gonna accept that. Oh no. Let me see what's going on. Huh, look at that. DoorDash, $17, 28 kilometers. DoorDash. Come on. Who's gonna take that? How far is that? That's like an hour drive. I'll take the one from Skip the Dishes, $7. Private restaurant, 11:43. This is a Skip the Dishes order, $7, and it's at McDonald's. Pick up order from McDonald's, 11:49. I don't know, I waited like a good 7-8 minutes. Drop off order. It's a $7, and the time is 11:57. So I have an order. It's Skip the Dishes. Let's see. $7 kilometers, $8. So I have an order with DoorDash, $11. Going to the same direction to pick up with the Skip the Dishes order, and coming back the same direction. Arrive at Perkins to pick up the Skip the Dishes order, time 12:08. Arrive at Boston Pizza 12:14. This is a DoorDash order. So I have another order from DoorDash, $13, another 3 kilometers. Holy moly. I'll accept that. Let's see. Okay.
Your destination is on the right.
Arrive at Papa John's for the second order for DoorDash. I'm at for drop off the first order from DoorDash, 12:36. Complete order, first one from DoorDash. I was $11, customer tip $5. Thank you. So I'm going to drop off the skip the dishes order. So now drop off customer order 12:42. So I drop off the second customer order from DoorDash, $13, cost to pay me $7. Thank you, customer. So I have another order for skip the dishes.
In 100 meters, turn left onto Blomberg Trail. Take the next. Make a U-turn, then turn right onto Trans-Canada Highway. Your destination is on the right.
Arrive at the restaurant 12:53. This is the order for skip the dishes. Pickup order 12:55. Drop off customer order. Let's drive. What the heck? Customer. Deliver order. Deliver that order at 1:01. So I have another order, skip the dishes, $7, 3.1 kilometers. I'll accept that.
West, then your destination will be on the right.
Arrive at A&W
Your destination is on the right.
1:09. Pickup order 1:15. Let's see how far the customer lived. Ready to drive. This is a skip the dishes order, $7, worth $7. Customer 4 minutes away. Let's go drop it off. So I drop off customer order 1:20 and I started at 11:10. So I just went over 2 hours and 10 minutes. I also end my shift on DoorDash and Uber Eats. So I'll give you guys a final update when I got home. Hello everyone, welcome back. So I'll give you guys a final summary how my day went. My goal was $20 an hour. I had 3 apps running. Let's start it with Uber Eats first. So Uber Eats, I had 1 pickup location, that's a restaurant, and 2 drop off. It was $12.70. Customer tip $4.82. Let's start with skip the dishes. Skip the dishes was 4 order, $29.73. This was the first one at McDonald's. Transit pay was $3.49. Top up was $1.22. Customer tip $2.29. And the second one, transit pay was $4.29. Customer tip $4.44. Third one, transit pay $3.49. The top up was 62 cents. Customer tip $2.89. And then the last one, transit pay was $3.49. Top up was 92 cents. Customer tip $2.59. That gave us $29.73 with skip the dishes. And let's go with DoorDash. DoorDash only had 2 delivery, $24. DoorDash pays $6 base pay, customer tip $7. And this auto order, DoorDash pays $6, customer tip $5. So Uber Eats was $12.70, and skip the dishes $29.73, and DoorDash $24. That gave us a total of $66.43, and I'll minus $5 for gas, so gave us equals $61.43. And I went over my 2 hours. I started at 11:10 and I finished at 1:15. So that's give us 2 hours and 15 minutes. So $61.43 divided by 2 hours and 15 minutes gave us $28.57. That's not bad for 2 hours and 15 minutes. I would say that's really great, but what really put me over the $20 an hour is these 2 orders. I had these 2 orders came in at the same time, and plus the DoorDash, plus the skip the dishes order, this one here. So it's $8.73, and it's DoorDash these 2. That's give me a $32.73, and I did those just under an hour, so that's really boost my my outpay for today. And that was great. That was the only time that really boost my pay. So I had those 3 orders at one time to go pick up and drop off. That was like a triple order, so was very stressful. So I want to know, what do you guys think? Does the triple order, double order stressful? Does it worth your time? And just comment below, like, do you guys do that a lot? Because there's lots of time customer could complain, because if they see you going the other way, they're gonna want to know why you're going the other way. So thanks you guys for watching. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay wealthy, and thanks for watching again. Take care.